Welcome to SnapComms, your internal communications solution. Desktop alerts are an easy way to share important updates with your staff. An alert like this one pops up on each user's computer, catching their attention without interrupting their work. When they're ready, they'll click on the link to read your full message. To manage your desktop alerts, just log in to your Content Manager. Click on our logo to reach the dashboard, and then click Create Content and choose a folder where you'd like to save your new message. Now, select the dark red icon with the exclamation point to create a desktop alert. Be sure to give your message a meaningful name. This is the headline that will appear in each user's pop-up window. When they click on their client program to open their message history, the messages they've received are each identified by name, so they can find the one they want and read it again. And when you open your folders on the left, the messages you've created are also identified by name, so you can find the message you want and make any changes, or just open the menu and publish that message again. Now, choose a design template for your message. You can use one of our standard colored templates, or we can create custom templates just for you with your company's branding. Make your selection and then click Create at the bottom. Now, write your main message, including the title and the text, and use the toolbar to format it. For instance, you might highlight some text and make it bold, change the font, change the size, change the color, and so on. Highlight a list, and you can turn it into bullet points, or add numbers, or indent your list, or undo and redo your changes. Or simply copy and paste directly from Microsoft Word with all your formatting intact. You can also highlight any text and then click the link button to add a link to any URL on your local intranet or on the web. Or choose email address so users can instantly contact you just by clicking your link. Then click OK to add that link to your message. You can even add an image to your message. Simply enter the URL to link to an image online, or choose from your computer and upload any image file you like. Either way, you can click More Options to fine-tune your image. For instance, you might change its size, choose where to place it on the page, and decide whether your text should wrap around it. And you can also add a colored border right around your image, or add margins in between your image and your text. Then click OK to add the image to your message. Please note, you can also drag and drop to change the image's position, or double-click on the image and make any other changes. When your message is complete, click Save at the bottom. Click Preview to see exactly how your message will look, and then click on the Delivery Options tab. By default, your message will be delivered to the SnapComms client program on each user's PC. Later, you can also try sending push notifications to their mobile devices. And on the other tabs, you can choose the date and time when the message will be delivered and which users or groups should receive it. You can even set advanced options. For instance, you can choose how many times the pop-up will appear and how often. Or you can skip the pop-up and display your full message on each user's screen without even waiting for a click. Just remember to click Save at the bottom of each tab. We explore each of these tabs in detail in our other tutorials. For now, let's move on to the Publish tab. Review your settings, and if everything looks right, click Publish. At the date and time you chose, your message will be delivered to each targeted user. Depending on your settings, they'll see your pop-up, and as before, they can click on the link to read your whole message. Thanks for watching. To learn more, please visit www.snapcomms.com. SnapComms, get employee attention.